Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to connect your QuickBooks account to your Payoneer. So the first thing is to log into your Payoneer account and then choose the last option, manage. Once you click on manage, it should bring you to a page like this. Click on business integrations, then proceed to click on connect apps. Once you've clicked on those options, wait for the page to load, then it will take us to, we can now select our QuickBooks option here. Click on QuickBooks. Now we can look at the how to connect. On this page, click on go to QuickBooks, which is here. We'll sign in into QuickBooks, and then in the page that opens, you should just search for Payoneer and select the connection that corresponds with the country listed in your Payoneer account. So if you have a Nigerian, or let me say a Canadian Payoneer account, just once you sign in with your QuickBooks details, on the follow-up page, just search for your Payoneer country there, and that's how to connect with QuickBooks on your Payoneer. Thank you guys. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel for more informational content like this. I'll see you in the next one.